Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily add columns to your site in Wix. So let's start. First, what you want to do is click here on add and first click here on strip. You have option to add multiple columns here, but let's just say I'm going to add this one here. Okay. And voila, we got it. Now what I'm going to do, I will click here on manage columns and you have option. You can delete the column. Let's delete this one too. And you can add new one if you want. So add one here, add one here. You can add multiple, just 5. You can add much more. And then what you can do, just column background. And you can change the background, you can change the color. Quite simple, really easy. And if I'm going to manage columns, you can change the positions of your columns quite easy. And let's just also add a different column here. So when I'm going to add a strip, it's the same thing. Okay, like here, and same style. So manage columns, add column, and voila, you got it. Then you just change the background of the color, or you change what you see in a column, and this is how we do it actually. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for it. And yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.